Hello, everyone. Thank you for tuning in to this News Now Health Update with Lisa Gibalerio from the Wayside Youth and Family Support Network and coordinator of the Belmont Wellness Coalition. Hi, Lisa.
Hi, Joanna.
Great to have you on again. Today, Lisa, I know you and I will be discussing the importance of young people having a trusted adult in their lives. To begin, Lisa, can you share what a trusted adult is and then tell us why it's an important concept?
Absolutely. So, trusted adults are adults other than a young person's parents who are a consistent and dependable source of support for a teen. The trusted adults are chosen by the youth, and they are safe people who listen without judgment. So, why is this an important concept? Because sometimes kids need more objective listeners. They need support from other adults who are not their own parents.
Okay. So, how can a young person find a trusted adult?
Well, they are in a whole range of settings. It could be a really kind neighbor who they connect with, maybe a caring grandparent. A teacher might step forward, or perhaps a coach. So it really varies, but it's just important that it's someone who the teen connects with and finds to be a safe person.
Okay. Is there any data that the trusted adult concept is helpful?
Yes, in fact, youth who talk regularly with a trusted adult are nearly half as likely to engage in risky behaviors. Also, research shows that when youth have meaningful connections with trusted adults, they report less mental health related challenges and they experience less bullying.
Okay. What traits would an ideal trusted adult have?
Well, they need to be good listeners, non-judgmental. They also need to be accessible, right? They need to be able to spend some time with the young person. And I would say it's really important that they understand boundaries. They understand when situations are beyond their skill set. So I would say those are among the most important qualities.
And in what ways will they support a teen other than by listening?
Well, by offering encouragement if someone's going through a rough patch, maybe by offering resources. Ultimately, they are providing a safe, comfortable space for teens to explore issues, for teens to turn to when things are rough. And as we said earlier, unlike parents, they are not burdened by expectations around this young person.
Okay. And speaking of parents, how might parents help their teens identify a trusted adult?
Well, if you see your kid going through a rough patch, maybe seeming blue or down, you might say, "Hey, if you don't want to come to me with what's troubling you right now, can we talk about identifying someone else with whom you might be comfortable, spending a little time with, talking with?" Parents could brainstorm, which adults might be a good fit. Maybe it is that neighbor they've known all their lives, or maybe it is an aunt or an uncle. So parents can work together and explore helping their child pick someone.
Oh, that's great. And is there anything else you'd like to add on this important topic, Lisa?
Yeah, I guess I would say, and I should have said this earlier, but parents can also explicitly convey to their kids that they understand the need to talk with other more objective people. Clearly state that you're okay with this, you're not threatened by this, that this is a good thing, and assure them that their conversations will be private. Unless it's a really significant issue arises or that they are a danger to themselves or to others.
Thank you so much, Lisa. It's been great having you on once again for a News Now Health Update.